Hi everyone, I'm Mary with Mary Greeley News. Thank you for joining me. Happy New Year. A formation of unidentified drones, sometimes as many as 30, have been seen flying in the northeastern corner of Colorado and western Nebraska starting about a week before Christmas. The drones seem to be making some people very uneasy and have been spotted in 4 counties in Colorado. According to the FAA, they are now investigating the incident. They're not breaking any laws. Even the senator of Colorado, Cory Gardner, is getting involved. And last week, the FAA is proposing that all drones be tracked. Evidently, these drones are large with a 6-foot wingspan. No one is claiming they own them. No one is admitting to anything about it. They've been reported to flying in formation, sometimes in a box formation, hovering and then taking off very quickly. At least one county in Nebraska also reported seeing these drones to law enforcement agency. And they always are seen flying at night. Some claim it's oil exploration. Others claim it's aliens. Drug cartels dropping off their payload. NBC Twitter post shows the locations of these drone sightings. And even the Air Force has been notified, and they said they have no idea who's operating the group of large drones. They're often seen flying between 5 and 10 p.m. at night. Yeah, another Twitter post, where are Scully and Mulder when we need them? I guess some people have even tried to chase down the drones to find out where they're coming from. And the drones have been flying every night since the week before Christmas. They've been reported to be seen at about 200 to 300 feet in the air. They evidently, like I said, been flying in box formations. And they're not flying over any restricted areas either. They're warning people, too, not to try and shoot them down, as the drones are highly flammable and possibly could start fire somewhere. Another Twitter post showing the areas where they've been spotted. So what are your thoughts? Put your comments down below. Thank you for subscribing. Happy New Year. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you.